Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. The number will increase, it will turn blue, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for the thumbs up. Okay, guys, this is a really exciting day for me because we received a PR package from the brand called Chic Beauty Box. I have been lucky enough that I've received this before, and this is a box that now I really look forward to receiving. If you're not familiar with this box, it is a Canadian company that actually ships out of the USA, so you don't have to worry about any of the brokerage or anything like that at all. I am so excited to be able to share this with you because so many of you say you're looking for boxes that are solely in makeup only, and that is what this box is all about. I do have some notes on this. This box that is this size is what I've received in the past, and this month there was some sneak peeks on some customization choices that you were able to make, and when you get PR you can't make those choices. This box didn't arrive like that. It arrived in this gorgeous pink large envelope. And the reason being, you will see, is one of the items in here is a huge palette. And I was keeping my fingers crossed based on all the choices that were there. Everyone was great. There's only 3 variations, and there's only 1 or 2 items that are different with all of them. But this one in particular was one that I never treated myself to, but now I have it in my box, and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to play with it. So if you're not familiar with the Chic Beauty Box, I'm going to share with you a little information about it because they were so generous to send it to True Wants. So the Chic Beauty Box is an every other month box, which means you get it every 2 months. It is a $34.99 subscription, and it is, like I mentioned, a makeup only box. It comes with 5 to 6 full-size products, and they always promise you that it will be over $100 in value, and there is a shipping fee on this of $7.95. So the total cost of this box is $42.94 US. However, if you want to do a one-time only and not sign up, and you like, you know, what I'm showing you here today, you can do a one-time purchase for $39.99 plus that $7.95 shipping, and they call that their try out our box with no commitments, and really excited about that. Like I said, they also send phenomenal emails. They're very strong on Instagram with giving hints of what's going to be happening. It's just a really exciting box. But what this is, this was launched by a social worker. Her name is Mercy in 2019. And this is a subscription box that carries full-size makeup products from our favorite brands. You will definitely recognize the brands in here. It's a lifelong passion for beauty and equality, inspired by Mercy to create her Chic Beauty Box. Through her personal experience and interactions with her clients, she quickly discovered that makeup, perfume, and skincare products are unaffordable for most of us. Believe it or not, there are people who love beauty products but just cannot afford a bottle of foundation for $60 or a lipstick for $30, which leaves some feeling less than their best selves. They feel they are an all-inclusive brand with the sole mission to create an equal opportunity for everyone to be able to afford and use quality beauty products. Their goal is to empower you to be your best confident self by providing you with chic beauty products bi-monthly at an affordable price. Once you subscribe, you will be sending you a variety of makeup products so that you can try different brands and products without spending a fortune. Sit back, relax, let us do the shopping for you, and we will deliver it to your door in a chic pink box. This month, it was in a chic pink envelope. So this is the card that is included in the box, and it shows you the 3 variations in here. They range from $127.99 total value. One is $144.99, which is the box that I received, and then there's one that's the retail will be $151.99. These are all USD retail prices. So all I can tell you is I'll go through what I received in my box, and what the differences in the variations are, I will share with you at the end. But starting with the number one product that was in the box that I was hoping to receive is the Morphe times James Charles palette, which is a $39 value. It came in the full, beautiful retail packaging. The hype on this, it is one of the number one products that Morphe, when they did a collaboration with James Charles, he is a very famous influencer. He's also sometimes, you know, the controversy is there, but his creativity is unsurpassable. It's just unbelievable. The creativity and his artistic abilities are just tremendous. So he did a collaboration with Morphe, and this is the huge palette that we received in here. There's also a mini version that Morphe did with them, so I didn't know which size we were going to receive, because all I kept visioning was that small little pink box and how they were going to make this work, but they did. And this is the gorgeous palette. The sheet inside here has all the names on it, and this, like I said, is a palette that has been around, and it is the number one palette. And what's great about it is in the middle here, they have the section, which are the colors that you're going to use the most, and those are the ones that are in a larger pan. Everything about this palette is fantastic. And I am so excited now to have the opportunity to play with it and learn more about it. But this is one, like I said, that has been on my wants list. And the fact that it is being put in a beauty box for the price of this beauty box, I think is out of this world. The next item in here is another brand that is phenomenal. And this brand is Clarins Paris. And this is a perfecting mattifying kit. It came in this retail box. Inside this is this product here. It is so beautiful, and I'm going to read you on the packaging what it's all about. It has a full mirror on the top here, it has the powder here, and it has the sponge right here as well. It is so beautiful and so well done. It also has blotting papers right underneath as well, so you could blot with the powder or the blotting papers. Clarins is such an expensive brand, and it is such a good brand. So this one simply says, shine-free, pore-perfecting skin. The clever and portable compact with gentle blotting papers promotes a matte, shine-free complexion. It has an airy, translucent powder that is enriched with plant extracts, white clay that reduces the look of pores and will not dry the skin. It will leave it soft and smooth. The skin looks enhanced and perfected all day long. It has a matte finish, and they're saying it is for normal to oily skin. It's also dermatology tested, and it is anti-pollution complex, and it is non-comedogenic. This is so, I put my, the silkiness of this powder is unbelievable. And the fact that you have the powder with the puff as well as the blotting papers in this gorgeous packaging is everything and more. So that's only the second item in here, and this has a value of $53. The next item in here is from Bareminerals, another phenomenal brand. And this product here says it is the round the clock eyeliner. They're saying this has a $17 value, and it says around the clock 8 p.m. It's an intense creamy gliding eyeliner. It's saying it is also waterproof, and I will do a swatch of it for you guys right here. And it is so creamy, and that is what that looks like there. Really Bareminerals is such a phenomenal brand. I've had the opportunity to use numerous of their products, and it is one that I highly recommend all the time. Really beautiful. The next item in here is from Laura Geller, another phenomenal brand. This is called 50 Kisses Liquid Color, and they're saying this is a $27 value. It comes in the full retail packaging, and it says no more air kisses. Be sure this pigment formula will stay true and soft. It is a satiny color that stays put from the morning peck to the midnight smooch. Directions apply directly to your bare lips. And the shade that I received is in Melon Crush, and that is the gorgeous color that I received here. It is so happy, this color, and that is what the product looks like here. And this is the shade on my hand. And I should show you the applicator. Give me a sec. It has an applicator that it has a little bit of a cutout to it, so it's easy to hug the lips, and it is really, really well done. And Laura Geller is a brand that also I highly recommend, and really, really excited to receive this product in the box. And then the last item that is in here is a drugstore item from Revlon. And this is their Colorstay Lip Liner Pencil. And the value of this is $8.99. It comes in the full retail packaging. I undid a little bit of it here because what I do is I undo all the packaging. I make sure everything that's in here is what should be in here, that there's a card and everything that's on the card is in the box. I try to remove any excess packaging so I could take a picture for Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out. My name there is True Once with the number 2. I always share with you when I upload a video, and then I always share with you the inside of my boxes. And then at the end of the month, I do a tower of all the boxes that I share on the channel, and then I open them all up on my large bathroom floor to show everybody all the items inside the boxes, and then I do a final picture when I'm ready to put everything and organize it to what's going into giveaways, what's going in for review, and what I'm actually using on a try-on basis. So make sure that you're following me there on True Once. And then this is the product here, and that is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade as well. And that is the item there. So that is everything that I received in this beautiful gifted to me box from Chic Beauty, but I want to share with you the differences of the variations. So variation 1 would also receive the Morphe James palette, but you would be getting the Becca Shimmer Skin Perfecting Pressed, but you would also get the Bareminerals Clock Eyeliner, the same Laura Geller Kisses liquid color, but it could be in a different color, and the same thing with the Revlon. These might come in different colors as well as the lip product. Variation 2 is a Becca Ocean Jewels palette. I saw this also on their Instagram and it is just beautiful. And that is a $46 value. And that's the item that you will receive if you do not get the Morphe collaboration James Charles palette. But you will also get the Clarins Perfecting Mattifying Skin. You will also get the Bareminerals. You will also get a liquid lipstick from Laura Geller, as well as a Revlon liner. So like I said, there's only a couple of things that are different in each one, but each one is an absolute winner. Whatever variation you will receive will be great, but you also, they do send down through emails, and their emails are fantastic. Even if you sign up for just their emails because you're interested in the box, I will leave that down below. I do not have any discounts, but I will leave the link to their website because once I put my email in, they were able to send me all these amazing deals just as a person who'd be interested in their box. They give free gifts when you sign up and things like that. So I want to make sure that you guys get the best deal possible if this box is of interest to you. All right. Once again, thank you so much to Chic Beauty. I am so impressed with everything. Came beautifully packaged. Everything came in a timely manner. You sent me the tracking information and then we were able to follow it from the drop off right to our door. So I appreciate that so much. And once again, this is such a gift. I will definitely be enjoying and trying all these products. I enjoy so much this box and I think you guys will too. Once again, this is the Chic Beauty box for the month of December, but it is a dual month. So it could be like November, December, but that's what this is. So it's every 2 months you will get one of these boxes. And like I said, I will leave all the information that I just shared with you down below. And that's it for today, guys. So once again, thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box. And thank you to you guys for tuning in to learn which box I'm opening up today. All right, take care, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.